always a man of culture, we are now going to go to a water puppet show. We were very lucky, got tickets at the last minute. All of today's shows are sold out, but there's availability now. We need to go straight in and take our seats. I paid a little bit extra, another £2 each for the best seats, which is a real treat. So I'll take some video and a quick review afterwards.
Sau cuộc tranh sức đua tài, thôn đơn Chí Lạng, thôn Đoài Ngót Cân
So, Water Puppet Show was great, and one of the things I want to do in this video is give people little tips and ideas if they're going to come in themselves. My first tip here, if you go for a Water Puppet Show, is pay the extra 50p for an audio guide as opposed to trying to understand what the hell is going on with just the Vietnamese language and the lack of understanding, because I really enjoyed it, but I didn't know what the hell was happening the whole way through. But it was good. Enjoyed the Water Puppet Show, definitely worth a visit.